Hey guys, Jedd here from Tutoring. Always so lovely to join you. We've got a question here that is specifically testing your understanding of how words relate to mathematics. Remember, maths is simply a language of symbols that represent words, and we need to understand how we translate from words into mathematics. So that's what this question is testing. Now, a mother is twice as old as her daughter. How old is the daughter if the mother is 64 years old? Now, the very important keyword in this question is this twice. Now, what does twice mean? A mother is twice as old as her daughter. Another word for twice is double. So what does twice and double mean? All twice and double means is that the mom is 2 times as old as her daughter. So if we apply that thinking to the question, so what is the mother's age? So the mother's age, I'm just going to write it out, mother's age is equal to 64 years. What would the daughter's age be? So they're interested in finding out the daughter's age. So we know that the mother is twice as old as her daughter, and that would mean that the daughter is half the age of the mother. What does half mean? It means the opposite of times 2, which is divided by 2. So it would be 64 over 2 years, and that is equal to 32 years. And that is the answer the marker is looking for, 32. Right, guys, as you can see, it's quite important that you understood what that word twice meant. Once you understood that, the question was quite straightforward, and you, I'm sure, got it perfectly right. That's all from me. Thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Find out more about them in the description below. And if you're keen on some more of these videos, be sure to head over to our website and find them there. If we haven't answered your question, be sure to send us the question and we will create a video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.